Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Dina's Easy Eats. Hope you all will enjoy this video and will try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you. Let's dive into the video now. In a pressure cooker, add 1 cup, that is 250 ml, long grain rice which is washed and rinsed very well. Using the same measuring cup, add 4 cups water, stir well and cook the rice for 1 whistle in the pressure cooker. After 1 whistle, turn off the stove and all the pressure to go off from the pressure cooker. During this time, we can make some jaggery water or jaggery juice. For 1 cup rice, we need half kilogram jaggery. Cut it into small pieces and add 1.5 cup water. Keep the heat in medium level. Stir the contents occasionally and wait until all the jaggery melts and become the jaggery water. Now the jaggery juice is ready. Keep this aside. By this time the rice is cooked well too. Only open the pressure cooker once all the steam is gone. Transfer the content to a big pot where you are going to make the payasam. Once the rice is transferred, smash the rice little bit and add the jaggery water through a strainer to remove any impurities in the jaggery. Now turn the stove on, keep it in medium heat level, then combine the rice and jaggery water very well. All the jaggery has to infuse into the rice. It may take at least 15 minutes for the rice and jaggery to get combined well. Keep on stirring. Do not let it get burnt on the bottom of the pot. That is very important. After 15 minutes, you will see the payasam starts boiling. Once it started boiling, we have to add diluted coconut milk. For this, take 1 can of coconut milk and add 2 cans of water. Mix well and pour into the payasam. Now again we have to stir well and mix the rice and coconut milk. And this coconut milk has to get thickened. Until then we have to stir continuously. It will also take about 15 minutes for the ingredients to get combined well. Now add 1 tablespoon ghee, stir again and mix for another 2 minutes. By this time, the payasam will start boiling again. At this time, we need to add the thick coconut milk. For this, take 1 full can of coconut milk without adding any water, pour into the payasam. After the thick milk is added, the payasam should not get boiled. So turn the stove off now and mix the payasam well. If the payasam get boiled now, it will get spoiled. You will see a curd-like thing floating over the payasam. So make sure payasam do not get boiled after we add the thickened coconut milk. Now add a pinch of salt to balance the taste. This is the consistency of the payasam. Our payasam is almost ready. Now we will add some spice powders for the great aroma of this payasam. For that, add 1.5 teaspoon cardamom powder, half teaspoon cumin powder and half teaspoon dried ginger powder. And stir well. At last, heat a different pan and add 2 tablespoons of ghee and fry some cashew and raisin. The amount you can decide how much you want. Then pour everything into the payasam, including the melted ghee. Mix everything together and enjoy the Ari Payasam or the rice pudding. From this amount of payasam, you can serve for at least 15 people. Hope you enjoyed this tasty payasam recipe and you will try it. Thank you for watching my video and may God bless.